Hello, reception. Now, this week we have been learning about frozen things. We have been learning about how water freezes. We have talked about frozen foods and ice. So today I'm going to do an experiment with ice. It's got a trick. So here I've just got some ice in my bowl. Just ice. What you need, ooh, it's cold. You need ice, it's frozen. Gonna need a string. Just cut your string like that. And then put your string in some water. Make sure it's wet completely. So put it in the string, in the water. There we go. Make sure it's completely wet. Okay, so that's my string. And then put it on top of the ice, like that. Just like that. On top of the ice. And then sprinkle some salt. Remember, just a sprinkle some salt on top. Just like that, and let it sit for a little bit. So our experiment today is to find out if the piece of string is gonna be strong enough to pick up the ice. What do you think? Or is the ice gonna be too heavy to be picked up by the string? Or is it even gonna stick? So we've used ice and just a string, wet string, like that, and then sprinkle some salt on top to find out if the string is going to be strong enough. Let's have a look. There's one I made earlier. Let it sit for a little bit, maybe 2-3 minutes. I made this one earlier just before I started the video, and I've sprinkled some salt on top. I am hoping this is going to work. So, ready? Oh, wow. Look at that. That's just ice held up by a piece of string. So our experiment really works. I am very surprised. It's all attached. There we go. So the string is strong enough to hold the ice like that. And now I made a bigger piece of ice. I want to see if a string can also pick up the ice. It's bigger than the others, and it's only got one string. There's my ice. It's been in the freezer overnight, and now this is a moment. What do you think? You think it's going to lift it up or not? Do you think the salt helped the ice to melt and stick to the string? Let's find out. Look, it worked. It's even started to melt a little bit. So the string is strong enough to pick up the ice. You can have a go at home, freeze some ice, get some string. Once it's frozen, sprinkle a bit of salt and see if you're gonna be lifting lift yours. Bye for now, reception.